Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Alexey Shirov and Maurice Gulatz. This is a game from GRENKE Chess Open tournament played in Germany in 2018. Alexey Shirov had white pieces and he started with d4. Maurice Gulatz played d5. c4, Queen's Gambit. Declined, Slav Defense. Knight to f3, knight to f6, knight to c3, d takes on c4, a4 preventing b5, bishop to f5, white to move, e3, and knight to e5 are the two most played moves. Alexey Shirov played knight to h4, hunting the bishop, black to move. In this position, black can play many different moves, like bishop to c8, saving the bishop that way, bishop to d7, bishop to g4, bishop to g6, bishop to e6 defending the pawn on c4, and even bishop to e4. Maurice Gulatz played e6, not caring about his bishop. Knight takes on f5, e takes on f5, e3, bishop to d6, bishop takes on c4, black to move. Castling is the most played move. Maurice Gulatz played queen to e7, queen to c2, g6 defending the pawn on f5, castling knight from b to d7, and now e4. Naturally, white wants to open the e-file. F takes on e4, rook to e1, castling, knight takes on e4, knight takes on e4, rook takes on e4, queen to f6, h4 intending bishop to g5, so black queen move to f5. Bishop to d3, lining the bishop with the black queen, knight to f6, attacking the rook, rook to e2, queen to g4, attacking the pawn on h4, bishop to g5, knight to d5, rook to e4, attacking the queen, queen to d7, bishop to c4, queen to f5, queen to e2, knight to f6, attacking the rook. Player with the black pieces was smiling. He was hoping for a draw. If rook goes to e3, knight attacks the rook. And if bishop takes on d5, then queen takes on d5, black is okay. Black is okay also if bishop takes on f6, then queen takes on f6. So how should white continue? What would you do? In this position, Alexey Shirov played an awesome move. If you wish, you can call it the killer move. Please pause and find the killer move that Alexey Shirov played in this position. What did you find? Did you find this awesome move? Rook to e6. What a move. Rook from a to e8. If f takes on e6, then white wins the queen. Bishop takes on e6 check, and after king to h8, bishop takes queen. So, Maurice Gulatz played rook from a to e8. White played a move and black resigned. What would you do? The move is rook takes knight. Black resigned. In view of this continuation, rook takes queen. Rook takes queen on f5. Rook takes on b2. Rook to f6. White is a piece up, in a better position. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.